I know exactly what you're thinking. 10 minus 2 times 3 minus 1. Easy, right? Let's see if you actually got it. Most people do this. 10 minus 2 is 8, then 8 times 3 minus 1. They get all tangled up and end up with something like 16 or 20. Here's the trap. That 2 sitting right next to the parentheses, it's not separate, it's multiplication, and multiplication comes before subtraction. So here's how you actually solve it. Parentheses first. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now you have 10 minus 2 times 2. Multiplication next. 2 times 2 is 4. Finally, 10 minus 4 equals 6. The answer is 6. Not 8, not 16, 6. The mistake everyone makes is trying to do 10 minus 2 first because they read left to right. But order of operations doesn't care about reading order. Parentheses, then multiplication, then subtraction. That's the law. If you got 6, congratulations. You're in the minority. If you didn't, hit that like button so others can learn too. Subscribe, and I'll keep testing you with these sneaky problems.